Hi friends, today we have the Honor 9X and this is the global variant I got from Honor Global, and this one is not yet released in India, and we hope to get released this phone by December 2nd week or something like that. And actually I thought of doing an unboxing video of the same, but before me the customs unboxed it, and then you can see this is an unboxed one. So what I will be doing is I will be giving a quick overview of the Honor 9X, and let's proceed further. And this one is the Honor 9X with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, and thankfully I got the color Sapphire Blue, which is one of my favorite color, and you can see the model number written over here, that is STKLX1. And these are actually not a retail unit, and this is written out for sale. And in the box actually there is very less textual content over there, so let's unbox it now. And you can see the device itself at first, and we'll keep it aside. And regarding the box content, we have SIM ejector tool first, and there's a TPU case along with it. And nowadays we'll be getting TPU case along with the phone, and that's quite normal. And now let's check what's inside. And this is there's a charger brick along with it, and here is the Type-C USB cable. And this is the first time the X series or the mid-range segment phone from Honor is having a Type-C port, and that's something great from Honor. And as it's not a retail unit, there are no paperwork along with it. And now let's move on to the device and check what's. And this is the device, and I'm in love with the looks, to be frank. You can see that pattern. I don't think the camera can actually capture the full beauty. Actually it's a pleasant view for the eyes. There is an X pattern. I will show more clear images from outside. Anyways, there's a sticker over here which we need to peel it off, and after that we'll proceed further. Keep this also aside. And this is the device, and let's boot it for the first time.
A few moments later.
Moving on to the specifications of the device. Honor 9X has a 6.59-inch Honor Full View display, backing up with 4000 mAh all-day battery, and it has got the 48 MB AAA camera setup and a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. And also it has got an expandable storage capacity of up to 512 GBs, and it also has the GPU Turbo 3.0 out of the box. The looks of the Honor 9X is actually exceptional. Like there is a glimmering pearl X effect on the back of the device, symbolizing the X series. Now talking about the 16 megapixel pop-up camera, the Honor 9X hideaway front camera system actually means a zero distraction viewing experience. The fingerprint sensor is mounted at the back, and moving around the device we can see that there is a power button and volume rockers at the side, and there is a memory card and SIM card tray at the top along with the pop-up camera setup. And at the bottom you can see a Type-C port along with the speaker grills and headphone jack. Of course it's not removed yet. It's all about the quick unboxing and overview of Honor 9X. Thank you for watching. See you soon.